Here we got the exhaust manifold for my 13 Explorer Sport with the modified engine. I'm gonna hit this thing on the belt sander and make sure it's nice and flat so we don't have any exhaust leaks. First I do a little quick run on it to see how bad this thing looks. It looks pretty bad. It's gonna need a lot of work. Here, we'll finally take a look and see how good this thing's looking. Looks like we finally got this thing flat after spending 15 minutes on sanding on it. Now we're going to take the turbo flange side and make sure this is flat. We don't want any exhaust leaks on this thing. Here, after we sand on the turbo side flange a little bit, we'll take a look at it and see what it looks like. It would help if I held this on there a little flatter. It looks like I was pushing a little too much on one side, but we'll get it right. Here, after belt sanding on the turbo side for a little while, probably about 5 minutes, this thing's looking real nice. We'll have no exhaust leaks on this thing. Exactly what we want.